Now your child can play with their favorite friend, with the new Mickey Mouse Jr. Activity table set. Set comes with one table and one padded chair. Bright colorful graphics and large table surface for drawing, eating and playing. Table and chair are made of sturdy metal tubular construction and have a vinyl surface that is washable. Adult assembly required, tool included. Both table and chair include a safety locking mechanism for security. Chair has a recommended weight limit of 70 pounds. Table size, 20 by 20. Recommended for ages 2 to 5 years. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy, affordable, perfect height. Sturdy, doesn't tip over. Affordable, good price compared to other options. Looks nice, doesn't look cheap. Plasticky and easy to clean. Perfect height for 2-year-old to stand or sit at to play or eat.